Hello everyone and welcome to How to IT. I'm Belle and today we're going to be talking about the February update for Surface Duo 2. So the February update for Surface Duo 2 and I believe Surface Duo 1 was just a security update. You can actually go onto the Android Security Bulletin and find out all the information there. I can link that down in the description below. And Microsoft's official report about the update, which I can link down below as well, is to check that Security Bulletin update. So that kind of brings me into what I've been experiencing, and I just wanted to see if you guys have been experiencing the same thing. After the update, everything was running fine, nothing to notice. There was, it was just running like normal. And then I noticed one day I was coming home and I had my maps open to guide me home. And I picked up my phone after that and it was extremely hot. Like I've never felt it that hot before. And I said, oh, it's probably going to shut down because it's so hot, and it actually did. And I thought, it was a hot day, so I guess maybe. And then I think a couple days after that it happened again. I wasn't actually using the device at all. It was just sitting on my phone holder on my desk, and I picked it up, and it seems to be only this side that gets hot, not this side. And yeah, after I picked it up, it wasn't on charge, wasn't doing anything. It was just idle. And I said, that's really weird. And then the third time it happened was just a couple of days ago. I had been talking on my phone just prior, and then I put my phone down. I sent a couple emails, so probably like 5-10 minutes later, I picked up my phone again, and this backside was just super hot. It's not like burny hot, but it is hot enough that you kind of get worried. Yeah, so that's been happening, and it's only just started after that February update. So it's hard to say if that had anything to do with it. Like Microsoft, when they do fix a bug or anything, they do put it in that update list. Like just the security update shouldn't have actually affected anything. And the other thing I've noticed is I think the first week after the update, my battery, it was just running out by 3 p.m. I normally wake up around about 6:30. I normally get a full day's worth out of this phone, and yeah, that whole week I didn't change my routine or anything, but that whole week it was just dying at like 3 p.m. and it was really weird. The battery seems to have been better now, but yeah, I just wanted to hear from you guys to see if you've experienced the same problems. I've seen a couple Reddit posts that have been talking about these problems as well. So if you want to leave a comment down below and just let me know if you've had these problems as well. I'm still using this device as my daily driver. I still love this phone. These little things that I've just noticed the past couple weeks have just just made me go, oh, is my phone still okay? Well, I'm Belle and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.